Okay guys, welcome back to the course. You're in section 2 now. We're going to be looking at setup and the start of your Instagram. So as you can see, I've gone through the account creation process with Instagram, which is very simple to follow. You simply need an email and a password. I didn't think I'd show that part because it's very self-explanatory. But yeah, as you can see, we've gone in now and we've got an account. So it's a fresh account, nothing's happened to it. So we need to start obviously implementing our description, our bio, our profile image, that kind of thing. Now, as mentioned, we will help everyone that has enrolled into this course with creating a profile image and with creating this branded bio. So this section may not really need much explaining because we will be helping you with it in real time. But I will go over it and show you how you can change it yourself and how to implement it for the future. So what we're going to want to do is going to edit profile, and we'll start with our profile picture. Now ideally it's very simple, we've got our profile picture there, it's all centered, we hit done and that's all finished. So that's our new profile photo. It's very punchy, it's got a very bold logo in the center there. Our name, we like to use emojis, so let's go for something. Digital Coalition's a web design and marketing agency, so let's go for something in that sort of world, the web design world. What could it be? Some sort of services. Brain's gone dead here. I know. Let's go for the charts. There's a graph on a statistics chart. That could be good. Yeah, something like this. So because we're doing marketing, so a lot of SEO and analytical things, so it makes sense. So our name is Digital Coalition, and we'll make sure they're capitals, and we will use that there. Cool. So our website is www.digitalcoalition.co.uk. We can fill that out, and then as you can see, people can click through straight to the website from the Instagram bio, which is great. Obviously, we've mentioned that before and how powerful that can be, especially when you're posting viral content and you're really getting in front of a lot of people. Right, the bio time. So let's go for emojis again. London-based, instantly tells them web marketing agency. As discussed, we'll be doing this for you if required. If not, this is a good way of you learning exactly how to do it and how to format it. Okay, so we've got the pin. So London-based web marketing agency. We want to evoke some sort of emotion. So for business owners, by business owners. So that's telling them what we do. It's kind of making them situate themselves within the brand, saying yes, they are business owners, so yes, this company is something that I should be following. And let's go for the emotion, shall we? The key. Yeah, making sure that they know that we're the key to successful online business. We know that they want that key. That's something they do want. So we are that answer to that question. How can we help? Who are we? Where are we based? And why they should be following us. So the next step is a call to action. So let's get something like the flashing lights here. Let's see if I can find it. Right, let's just do this one. Follow us for everything web and for everything digital and business. So the direct call to action right there. You know, some people like to do this. So some people like to put the finger emoji, so pointing down to the follow button, which is quite powerful. So just really utilising the emojis there, and driving. Oh, we're a bit too long here. 15 characters. Follow us today. That'd be fine. Oh. Follow us today. Perfect. See how that looks. Cool. So you can see that's neatly laid out with that finger emoji pointing down to the website link. So it's a direct call to action to make people click through to the website and go through and see our services. So the next step is going into the profile, setting your category. I've already done this, so I've set it to consulting agency. Find whatever industry you're in and associate that with your page. You can connect to your Facebook page, so I've connected to Digital Coalition. So what you have to do, it will give you the option to access business insights. So simply click that and it will ask you for an email, which you associate to your account. So mine's liam@digitalcoalition.co.uk. And then it will ask, what industry you're in and the best contact details and your Facebook page. And then you're all set up. You'll be able to see your insights there. So you can see that we haven't done anything on this page, so there is no insights as of yet. But once you start going viral, once you start posting and building up your Instagram, that would be a great place for you to go to really understand what's working on your page and where you can improve. But yeah, that's pretty much it. How to set up and start your Instagram. We can, like mentioned, we can help you with this entire process. So we can do the logo design, the profile image design, and the bio design. So let us know in the Facebook group, and we will be all over helping you. So the next step is Instagram for business, and we're going to look at Instagram for having niche brands too. So they'll probably be split up into two different lectures. So whatever one